What's up, guys? Lewis here at Martial Artistry, and we are going to go through the process of covering these two cups. I did these designs about a year and a half ago, and we're going to go through the process of sanding these down and recovering with a new design. If you haven't already, definitely tap in and hit that like button, and let's get straight to it. All right, guys, now I'm jumping back in here because this is the part of the video where you are going to really be able to control what kind of flames, what they look like. In this instance, I'm using an opaque white versus using a metallic color, which I normally use. When I use the metallic color, it still allows for the candy paints here to be fully transparent, meaning you'll still be able to see the holographics underneath. Thanks for watching. Next up, green flames.